Y'all, it is officially first day of 2025. Come on, let's lock in. Hey y'all, my name is Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to make an effective digital vision board for 2025. So if you're anything like me and you're serious about changing your life this year, because y'all, it literally only takes 1 year, keep watching this video. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what a vision board is, a vision board is quite literally a collage of images, words, anything visual that represents your personal goals, dreams, or aspirations. Now, the purpose of a vision board is essentially to keep you motivated, focused, and to have a visual look on your goals and your dreams. So I'm going to take it a step further and show you guys how to make your vision board more effective by doing some goal setting along with your vision board for 2025. Okay y'all, so of course I started off with the fun part, which is creating the actual vision board. I went over to Pinterest to gather some inspiring pictures that I like that correlates with the goals that I want to set. For example, I got pictures of vacation spots, YouTube, cars, financials, home decor, etc. I then took these photos and uploaded them into Canva to make my digital vision board. Like I stated before, y'all, we are making an effective digital vision board. So we gonna need to do a little bit more than just putting a couple pictures together. Which brings me to our next step, which is our main goals. On Canva, I'm going to add a page to the vision board that I have already created. I'm going to title this page Main Goals, and this is where I'm going to list the main goals that I want to accomplish by the end of 2025. For the new year, I have 7 main goals that I want to accomplish. There is no limit to how many goals you can have, y'all. My 7 main goals look like this: YouTube, financial stability, launch business, new car, fully furnished apartment, travel, quit my 9 to 5. Okay, y'all, so now that I know my main goals, I'm going to make a page for each one of those individual goals. On each page, I'm going to state what I specifically want to accomplish within each goal, why I want to accomplish this, and how I will accomplish each goal. Okay, so I'm going to do one with you guys on camera, and then I'll do the rest of my goals off camera. So my main goal is YouTube, so that is what I will title this page. Right here it says, what do you want to accomplish? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write in what I specifically want to accomplish when it comes to my YouTube channel. Therefore, I wrote, in 2025, I want to be monetized on YouTube, posting consistently once a week, and achieve 10,000 or more subscribers. The reason we are being specific on our what is so that we know exactly what we are trying to accomplish when it comes to each goal. Now moving on to our why. Your why is going to consist of your reason as to why you want to accomplish this in the first place. So for my why, I want to accomplish these goals because I want to build a strong community on YouTube. I want to not only entertain through my channel, but also inform. And by the end of 2025, I want YouTube to be my main source of income so that I can quit my 9 to 5 and have more freedom. So that is my why. Your why will be specific to you and your goals. Now that we have that, we're going to fill in our how. Now, when it comes to your how, you can be as vague or as specific as you want. For my how, as it pertains to YouTube, I put post long form content at least once per week, start to post more shorts, aiming for 2 to 3 times per week, do more research on the platform, learn how to understand analytics. You're going to do this exact same process for each one of your main goals. Okay y'all, so to recap so far, we created our digital vision board, we identified our main goals for the year, and we also did detailed goal setting for each main goal. Now, the final step that I'm going to include in this tutorial is our month-to-month goals for 2025. Now, y'all, these month-to-month goals are honestly just going to be new and better habits that you want to incorporate into your new and improved life. My month-to-month goals look like this. Girl maintenance, keep nails done every 3 weeks, hair done every 3 to 4 weeks, lashes once a month to twice a month, gym, work out 2 to 3 days per week, health, take better care of health, more checkups, less smoking, eating better foods, financial, save money each month, starting a savings, more streams of income, better money management, spiritual, learn more spiritually, learn how to pray properly, and more. Okay, so yeah, that is just a rundown of my month-to-month goals. As you can see, these are just new habits that I want to take more seriously in the new year. Y'all got to understand, this is our fucking year. We just got to make it our fucking year. Like, that's all, that's it. Okay, y'all, so I really do hope that this tutorial was helpful for y'all. Feel free to talk to me in the comments. Like, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Christmas in New York vlog or any other vlogs that I have on my channel. Happy New Year's to all of y'all. We're going past the motherfucking sky this year. I will see y'all in my next video.